So I'm Prem Prakash Gajpal. I'm Director Operation at an automotive component manufacturing company based out in Pune. And my reason for joining this program was to really understand the concept of coaching, because I was not knowing properly the professional way of coaching and mentoring. And then through this method of coaching, I wanted to see that how I can help my team members, especially senior managers, to build their capability. And today, when I am completing this program, 3 months of program with Gromor, I'm very excited and then very happy to share that it was a very, very enriching and fulfilling experience. And the way Indrajit took throughout this session, it was very simple and very friendly. As I've not seen the trainer so involved and in a so simplistic manner. And personally, what I have seen that it has really made a very positive impact on my personal life. I started my day writing my everyday's reflection, half a page reflection, what comes to my mind. And then I go to my value card. And that makes me quite energetic. It gives me charged because I'm engaged with so many positive thoughts every day. As far as this program is concerned, to me it is outstanding and I rate 10 out of 10. I already started recommending to my friends to join Gromor program, those who have some inclination towards coaching or those who want to make change in the life of others or who wants to take their career for improvement of other team members. And as I said that I'm going to start coaching in my company for my senior managers. And that is the goal I have taken now. My greatest takeaway at the end about the program is that I can say that coaching always works and it brings a very positive change in individual to enhance their capability and perform better, which also in turn help to achieve their professional goal. Thank you, Indrajit, and thank you, Gromor, for bringing such a positive change in me through your coaching program. Looking forward to get your support in times to come. Thank you very much.